All right, I got the Unium 24 Christmas card set. Everything you need to send 24 Christmas cards. You got the cards themselves, you got the envelopes, and you have the stickers to close the envelope because these envelopes don't have adhesive on the back. Anyway, these cards come in a nice quality cardstock. They ship flat. Everything ships flat in a package about this big. Actually comes in this little package. Ships flat. You pull it out. Everything's ready to go. Nice high quality printed card with 6 different unique designs. We got 2 snowmen right here. I don't know if you can see them. We got 2 different Santas right here. And we have a reindeer and your traditional Merry Christmas card. But we've also got 2 sets of stickers that you can use to seal the envelope up once you put it in it. And speaking of the envelope, it is about 4.5 inches by 6 inches. So they're pretty simple to use. You know, they come flat cardstock. They've got a crease that comes down the middle of them. So when you're ready to fold them, the crease is already in place. Makes it easy to fold. All you have to do is write out your note to your loved one or friend or whoever and sign it, fold it over, stick it in the envelope, put a sticker on it, and you're good to go. Something like this would obviously be great for sending to family, friends, neighbors, co-workers, just about anybody that you'd want to wish Merry Christmas to. So if you're looking for a ready-to-go set of 24 Christmas cards with the cards, the envelopes, and the stickers, check out this one by Unium. Check it out.